Hello, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So, how to use the law of attraction to not get the coronavirus and how to actually utilize it to get more of what you want in life. Okay? So, very, very, very important. Most people talk about what they do not want. Successful people, people who have what they want, who are happy, talk in terms of what they do want, and that allows them to attract opportunities into their life to allow them to continuously get more of what they want. Okay? It's very, very important for you to understand that because in the next 3 minutes, what I'm going to be talking about is how to actually get what you want in life. Okay? So, a lot of people talk about what they don't want. So, I'm sick. I don't want to get a cold. I cannot get a cold this week. I cannot be sick. Little do they know, or lo and behold, next couple of days you find out, oh no, they have a cold. They're very sick. They can't come to school. They can't come to work. They can't come to, the client call or whatever. Versus someone like me, I'm not sick. I'm not going to get sick. I don't get sick very often. Because the reason why this works is because I'm constantly looking for ways to affirm that I am not sick. Oh, there's hand sanitizer right there. Why don't I go wash it? Wash my hands. Oh, there's a bathroom right there. Why don't I go wash it? Oh, this person's coughing. Why don't I stay over there? Everything that my actions do is going to allow me to continue to believe and say that I do not get sick very often. Okay? But if you're a person who's always saying, I'm poor, clients don't want to talk to me, clients don't care about me, my story doesn't matter, you're going to continuously get what you're talking about because you're attracting that into your life, okay? So if you don't want to get sick, which that's an example, don't take that example to be extremely like 100% proof because some people can get sick because of germs, right? But in terms of your overall life and attraction, if you take the precautions to not get sick and if you, you know, look for opportunities not to do stuff that will raise your chances of being sick, and you only focus on the fact that you are not sick and ways to continuously affirm that you are not sick and that instead you are healthy, you are thriving, your business is growing, you're helping more people, the weather's changing and getting warmer. All these different things, your life is going to start to improve. Have a great day. If you have not already, I recommend you go join my group. It's a free Facebook group for coaches who want to help people. But for whatever reason, maybe the market's just not responding or you're just not able to get enough clients to make your business, thrive and actually sustain you financially. If that's you, I could want you to go and check out the link in the description below so I can give you step-by-step instruction inside of the group how to get more clients and how to help more people. Okay? Have a great day. Talk to you soon and see you later.